In this video we are going to unbox the package that is of t-shirts from the Amazon, that is from Scott brand. Okay, I want to tell that the seller of this Scott brand t-shirts is very bad. He always ships wrong product based, it may be wrong color or it may be combo of wrong size and color. It's many time I observed by the seller from the Amazon. So he always ships wrong product while ordering this product from the Amazon. So be careful. Okay, this is the unboxing of the Scott t-shirt combo of 3 available at Amazon, but seller is not good. He always ships wrong product, color and size also wrong he gives always. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for further updates.